Hi everyone, you are welcome in AI with Rao, and let's make AI simple. And in this journey, we are here at 19th day. And what we are going to learn, the most fascinating and most important topic is feature engineering, the secret weapon. What topics we are going to cover is why preparation beats fancy model. Why split one column into many, turning words into number, scaling and combining column into a smart glue. These 4 tricks of feature engineering. So let's start. Now comes one story, and that story you can resonate always. You have 2 chefs. First is a very handy one, like handy in the sense he's working in a 5-star hotel, or he's like a premium kind of chef, and another is a normal person who is not so good into cooking. You just give the same ingredient to both, a chef, a normal cook, same ingredient, same onion and unpeeled ginger, give them, and then another ingredient and ask them to cook. You tell me who will cook a dish that you cannot forget its taste? The chef. The reason is the preparation. Preparing those dishes, that will define. It's not the model, it's the data. The better data you will provide, model will outperform the best one. Even a simple model will outperform the best model if the data is really cleaned and really featured well. It's like a garbage in, garbage out. Now you understand the whole story. Let's understand this one by one. You can see this diagram, and this is the whole story that I covered with you. Two chefs, and both are provided with the same kind of ingredient, but the result is different. The difference is in preparation, right? Now come to the second point. If you ask me that, okay, so what the chef used that a normal cook was not using? A chef was actually using 4 tricks in terms of machine learning. What is the 4 trick? What are those 4 tricks? First is split one column into many. You just remember this, okay? You have a data where this is the year, this is the month, and this is the day. This is the first trick that as a machine learning engineer you have to do, is split one column into many. How? We have one column date, and this is the date form. How can you convert into many column? Column 1 is day. Day is 15, month 8, weekends, weekdays, Saturday is weekend. Yes, you converted one day column into 4 columns. Now you have more diverse data, more clues, and if you have more clue, your model will understand better because it has more diversity. If you ask that, okay, what was the sales percentage on Saturday, on weekends, it will tell because it has data. If you directly provide the date, it is raw for the model, it is not going to understand. If you ask that what is the sale on day 15th, it can exactly tell you. Now you understand the value of this converging those column one to many. This is the trick 1. I have explained all these things. You can read this document. Second is turning words into number. Why? Because models is not a human. They are machines, and machines are trained on numbers. If you can provide them directly the numbers, the effectiveness, the operation power, or the time it will consume, it's like a bytes of second, because it works on byte and you are directly providing the bytes. You can understand now the problem. and the real issue. So you have, take an example, you have a city, okay, that is Mumbai and Delhi. How can you convert that word into number? Take a boolean flag, is Delhi, is Mumbai. You converted that and now you provided, is Delhi 1, is Mumbai 0, is Delhi 1, is Mumbai no, is Mumbai yes, no, 1 0. It will just work like this. Now you have created, given machine learning model what they actually understand. So you have just scrap all those conversion and directly feeding what it actually needed. And now you can guess how fast it can become. The trick number 3 is scaling. Put everything on one ruler. What does it mean? Look at this diagram. If our model, if we have covered these models, KNN, K-mean, SBM, PCA. What these models were doing, they were just calculating the distance, right? They were just calculating the distance. If it is a scale and this is a distance, and if we have two things, two columns, first is the age and second is the salary. Age is 30 and salary is 50,000. Now you can imagine always the salary will dominate over age. Now model will outlier, it will become an outlier, it will outlie, always salary will outperform. Now how can we overcome this issue? By scaling. Okay, we will convert all these two features in terms of from 0 to 1 in terms of, so this is 0.6%, 0.6 means 60% and this is 70%, 0.7. Now they are relatable, now they are comparable, now they cannot outlie the model. This is called scaling. You got the intention why we do that? So this is the third trick. I have explained all these things word by word, but through diagram you can understand it better. Now come to the fourth one, is combine columns into smart clues. This will make you a real feature engineering guy who understand, and it will make you a genius kind of machine learning engineer. The reason, because you are converting these direct columns into features. Take an example. This is the real example. So you have flats right now, and flats price is say 80 lakhs and the area is 1000. If these are two columns, they have no relation, but if you convert that price per square feet, then model can understand the behavior. Now this is independent feature. If I ask the price for some flat, the price can be outshoot, can become very high, can become very low. But if you can do this one, you have now a feature. Now if you ask, it is independent, it can understand the trend. Similar example, say you have a speed and you have a distance. Okay, now you have a speed and you have a time. Now your speed, it will do nothing, but if you convert the speed divided by time, this I am confusing about it, so let's do about this one. So say you have distance and you have time. These two things are not connecting each other, they are two columns. Now you distance divided by time, it will become speed. Now you can analyze everything, right? You got this point? Similarly, we have price divided by area, price per square feet. This is a feature right now. It is being there in this code, not that much to be discussed. And what we cover is a chef story that will resonate with your head and you can understand. And those 4 tricks the chef is going to use to train the model is splitting, encoding, scaling and combining. Done. That's it. So thank you so much for being in the video till now.